With the growing competition, there will be a lot more possibilities for our kids in the future, and the workplace will be entirely different from ours. This makes it really important for us to make them future ready. I can understand being parents, you are really worried whether you are doing best for your kids. Let me tell you, there is a learning beyond the books and grades that is equally important for the child's development. Here are the top 5 ways which will help you to make your kids future ready. The first way is to help your kids become adept at learning tools. With the growing digitalization, learning technology is a need of the hour, and computer tools like Microsoft Office, PowerPoint will make your kid more aware about the computers. Also, a deep understanding about artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and virtual reality will make them future ready. Second way is to give your child an opportunity to be creative. The ability to be creative is a skill that can be taught. Furthermore, it is a skill that that's becoming increasingly necessary for more cognitively complex jobs. So enroll your kids for creative activities like brainstorming, concept mapping, and other activities like this. Third way is to encourage communication. The world is becoming more and more dependent on new ideas and concepts. How you explain your ideas is as important as their quality. In many different forms of communication, we can give our kids opportunities to become good communicators. Communication not only boosts their vocabulary, but also develops their social skills, which is essential for overall development and makes them adjusted to their workplace more effectively. The fourth way is to keep on supporting them to think critically. Learning is a constant process. Skills like quick thinking and adaptability won't disappear anytime soon. So it's possible to help your kids, practice coming up with good ideas on the spot so that they will be more adept, at this when they finish the school. And the last way is to guide them for goal setting. Having goals can help your kids gain a greater understanding of the learning they will need to do. This makes them develop, into confident and successful human beings, right? So allow your child to make short-term and long-term goals every year and keep a track of their success achieving the goal.